The lecture will discuss the next tool, which is Frida. Frida is a dynamic instrumentation framework that allows developers to inject JavaScript or native scripts into the running applications. This will enable developers to modify the behavior of application at runtime, making it useful for tasks such as debugging, reverse engineering, and vulnerability analysis. Frida can interact with and modify any Android or iOS application and any other application that runs on Windows or Mac. Frida installation practical. Installing Frida. Open your Linux command terminal. Type pip install Frida and hit enter. Note that you will need to have Python and pip installed first. Once Frida is installed, type pip install objection and hit enter to install its dependency. After that is done, type the command pip install frida-tools and click on enter. We have successfully installed Frida tool and its dependencies.